Hello, good news for those. The moment much awaited has come. If you are aspirant of becoming a teacher, as the Directorate of Education, Delhi government has invited applications for guest teachers as TGT in different subjects and PGTs in different subjects as well. And let me tell you all the details here. As you can see, first of all I would like to say that applications will be filled only online, and while filling the applications you will have to use Google Chrome browser only, and you can fill your applications by going to department website. It is www.edudel.nic.in, and the link will be operational from December 1st 2020 to December 10, 2020 by the evening 6 p.m., where you will be asked to fill your name, your date of birth, your roll number, your year of passing, etc., which will be as per your 12th examination certificate. And remember, no deviation is allowed, and it will be subject to disqualification even if the little deviation is made. Everything should be as per your 12th exam. Your credentials should match your 12th class exam while filling the application, and you will have to fill all the application carefully before submitting, and you will have to check your particulars on the preview screen which will be given to you. And remember that no request for correction whatsoever shall be entertained later. So be careful while filling the application form, and you will have to enter percentage of your marks up to 2 places of decimal. Right, let me tell you what you will be getting if you are selected for the panel and you join in a school. PGTs shall be paid and EVGS shall be paid 1445 per day. It is a daily wages basis job, and TGTs and special education TGTs will be getting 1403 rupees per day. To get any other information, you can send email at my Gmail address, which is mynewclassroom@gmail.com. And let me tell you the nature of job. It's purely daily wages basis. Yes, it is not regular job. This is, as the name suggests, it is guest teacher being recruited, and as and when regular incumbent joins you will have to go. This is just a stop gap arrangement purely, and you won't claim any emoluments as are given to regular teachers. No court case in this matter to increase of salary or regularization will be permissible, will be allowed to you. And this is for session 2020 and 21, where panel will be maintained, and department will call you as and when required. You will be engaged at that time. You would be interested to know about the reservations. Yes, these are available very much because this is a government sector. SC, ST, OBC, disabled, ex-servicemen, all are eligible here, and they will be given reservation, and they should be having certificates issued by authority of Delhi only, be it caste certificate, SC, ST, OBC, or disability certificate should be from government hospital. Panel will be prepared category wise on the basis of academic qualification in that category: SC, ST, OBC, and disabled person. Merit will be displayed on the department website, where you can go and check your name, and you will be called accordingly for documentation verification, and which will be done by department, where age will be checked, your qualification and your caste certificate will be verified, and selected candidates will be called. And remember this, no change of school request will be entertained once you join the school which will not be transferable. You will have to remain there. Let's go for eligibility portion now. As you can see in PGT section, postgraduate teachers and lecturers, where English, mathematics, biology, chemistry, physics, commerce and economics teachers are to be filled, and you should have, as eligibility criteria, you should have a postgraduate degree in concerned subject from a recognized university, and you must have a B.Ed degree. Age should not be exceeding 36 years. Relaxation will be given to SC, ST, OBC, EXSM and PH candidates, physically handicapped candidate, as per the government instruction time to time. Let me tell you in more detail. OBC can have 3 years relaxation, SC, ST 5 years, physically handicapped if general category then can have relaxation of 10 years, and physical handicap if you are OBC then can have relaxation of 13 years. Physical handicapped SC, ST can have 15 years, ESHM can have 3 years, and military service. So these can be vary from time to time, detail of which you will be able to see in the days to come when the details will be available. You can check it from there. And now we move to TGT section, where you can apply for mathematics vacancies are there, science vacancies are there, and TGT English vacancies are there. So TGT should be having bachelor's degree with 45% in aggregate. This 45% is relaxable to SC, ST candidates, and one who is having post graduation qualification in the subject, and also relaxable to physically handicapped candidates. Second thing, you should be having a B.Ed degree, and third is CTET. Yes, of course, paper 2, which is conducted by CBSE, that is secondary level CTET you should be having. If we talk about the age, you should be below 32, which is relaxable, as I have already discussed. And if you are women candidate, you can fill application up to the age of 42 years. Yes, TGT English, if we talk about main subject, English should be your main subject as graduate with history, pol science, economics, commerce, geography, agriculture, horticulture, इनमें से कोई एक हो. Or if you are going to apply for TGT maths, maths should be your main subject with one of the following as second, which are chemistry, physics, biology, botany, computer science, geology, English, commerce, history, political science, English, geography, statistics, agriculture. Okay, and if we talk about TGT natural science, you should be having 2 or one of the following as main subject at graduation, which are physics, biology, botany, chemistry, zoology, and secondly you should be having mathematics, English, computer science and stats. Then you are eligible for natural science TGT. If we talk about TGT special education teacher, and there are they should be graduate with you can be B.Ed with special education, or B, you can be B.Ed with 2-year diploma in special education, and C, if you are having postgraduate diploma in special education then also, and D, any other equivalent qualification approved by Rehabilitation Council of India. And second thing is, you should have cleared CTET paper 2, which is conducted by CBSE, and thirdly you should be having a registration with RCI. If we talk about the age limit is you should be less than 30 years, relaxable, yes, as I have already discussed. And those SSA resource person who are working for the children with special need with the Directorate of Education Delhi, they will be relaxed in the age criteria to the extent of number of years they have worked in SSA. And women candidate, you can apply up to 40 years. And last one is educational and vocational guidance counselor, EVGC category में. If you are having a master's degree in psychology and you are having a diploma in guidance and counseling from a recognized university or institution, and if you are below 30 years, you can apply. This age limit is relaxable, yes, as per the department rules. For more information, I will come in my next video. If you still have any query, any doubt, you can go to my email, which is mynewclassroom@gmail.com. This is Vijay Kumar signing off for now. Best of luck to all of you. Prepare well. You have still 6-7 days. It will start from December 1st when you can apply. So best of luck, friends. Thank you.